Going into my hair extension blend, I like to establish the shape that we're gonna have. It's either gonna be straight across, a U, or a V. For her, we wanna do a U because we wanna maintain most of the length. If we do straight across, that length off the middle that you see at the ends is gonna come off. And we don't wanna do a V because then we're gonna have to take length off her face, around the face frame area. So I'm just taking off the pieces piece by piece, and I'm using my razor. And then I'm gonna go in with my thinning texturizing shears and remove any of the bulk and any of the lines that we see to kind of blend everything together. I want to keep checking it and combing it little by little. When you do this, you want to make sure that you do it little by little because less is more. Because these extensions are kind of bulky, when you're putting them in, they have more of a square shape. If you take too much off, you can create a hole inside of the hair and your outline is going to be sparse. And then we'll just clean it up. Now we're going to go into the top of the section of her hair. What you want to establish is the difference in her first layer between the length of her extension. Because she wants to keep them one length and doesn't want to add any layering, we need to take a lot of the weight out of the top. So I'm going to do pie sections, hold it up at a 90 to 180 degree angle. I'm going to go in there with my thinning texturizing shears and I'm going to take as much weight out as I can without removing length. That's going to help flatten and blend the top layer into the extensions. So what I'm going to do now is go in with pie sections again all the way around vertically until all the weight is removed and everything is flat and evenly blended. Make sure that when you're doing your blending and your cutting that you don't go any deeper than half of the mid strand. You want to keep everything half of the hair to the tips only because you don't want to leave any short pieces to be sticking out. So now that we're done with the pie sections, we're going to come into the rest of the hair. We want to do one final look through. What I'm doing right now is I'm combing out the ends of the hair, pulling them, and doing one final thinning texturizing blend so everything lays nicely and smoothly together. You want to make sure when you're doing this that you stay away from the hair so you can see the outline at a good place. Also make sure that if you use a razor, that your razor is sharp and new because it could shred the cuticle of the hair and cause the ends to split faster. Thank you for watching, and subscribe, comment, and like for my channel. Thank you.